Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing the remote. Install 2 AA batteries and confirm polarity. Once done, stand 3 to 5 meters from the indoor unit and point the remote toward the receiver. Line of sight matters. Press power to wake the system, then press mode repeatedly to choose cool, heat, or auto. This tells the compressor what to do. Next, set temperature with the up/down buttons in 1 degree steps. Choose a comfortable target and wait for the unit to respond visually on the display. Once basic mode and temperature are set, focus on airflow and timing. Use the FAN button to pick low, medium, high, or auto. Air distribution changes comfort and efficiency. Press swing to engage vertical louvers or lock them in position, and press turbo or jet if you need rapid cooling for a few minutes. To schedule operation, set timer on or timer OFF with hour and minute buttons. Use sleep mode to gradually raise temperature for overnight energy savings and quieter operation. Finish by verifying the remote display icons match what you expect. Mode, temp, fan, and timers should all show correctly. If you clean the filter, reset the filter indicator by holding the indicated reset button until it clears. If the AC doesn't respond, try the simplest fix first. Replace batteries, re-aim the remote at the receiver, and move closer. If still unresponsive, power cycle the indoor unit at the breaker for 30 seconds. This often clears communication faults and restores normal control.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.